Hello, my dear students. Today we will be doing chapter number 8, present tense, right? So, let us begin with this chapter. See, simple present tense. So, in any tense, we have four types. So, let us take the example of present tense and find out what are the four tenses first of all. So, one is simple present tense. As you can see here, this is the simple present tense. Then, present continuous tense. Then we have present perfect tense, this. Then we have present perfect continuous tense. This is present perfect continuous tense, right? So we will be starting with simple present tense. So what is simple present tense? Simple present tense has a very simple formula, which is subject plus first form of verb, right? So this is the formula and we use S and ES along with it. So according to this formula, let us see the examples which are given in the book. Let us see the examples. Jane dances well. Now this is the first example. Jane dances well. Jane is the subject. Jane is the subject which is singular. So dances is the main verb which will become plural and well becomes your object. So subject plus first form of verb plus object, right? So according to this formula, now we will be discussing all the examples. Jane does not dance well is negative. Does Jane dance well is interrogative. So they are telling you how to form affirmative. Affirmative means positive. How to form positive, negative and interrogative sentences in the simple present tense. So the formula is very simple. Subject plus first form of verb plus SES plus object. Then let's see present continuous tense. So in present, what is the identification of present continuous tense? As we all know, continuous means when an action is happening at the time of speaking. Means it is happening at the same time of speaking, right? So the simple formula for present continuous tense is subject plus is, am, are. So it is subject plus is, am, are plus ing with the first form of verb. So it is subject plus is, am, are plus first form of verb plus ing. Let's see. Hina is learning Russian these days. When I say this line, Hina is the subject. Subject is singular, that is why is used. Hina is. Learn is the first form of verb, right? Plus ing. So Hina is learning. If I use any plural subject here, for example, they are learning. If I use I am learning, right? So subject plus is, am, are is with singular subject, are with plural subject, am with I. So is, am, are subject plus is, am, are plus verb first form plus ing. This is present continuous tense. Coming to present perfect tense. So let's see about present perfect tense. The identification of perfect is it will has and have, right? It will be having has and have. The sentences will be having has and have in the present perfect tense. Let's see. Let us discuss the formula first. Subject plus, then has have, right? Subject plus has have plus third form of verb. So according to the formula, let us see. Mohan Now Mohan is the subject. So has, have. Has is used with singular subjects and Mohan is singular. So has will be used. Mohan has. Now written. Now write is the verb. And what is the third form of write? Write, wrote, written. Third form. So it is V3. Right? Mohan is the subject. So subject plus has, have plus third form of verb. Mohan has written the letter. If I say they will become singular plural subject. So they have written the letter. Right? Subject plus has, have. If your subject is singular, then has. If your subject is plural, then have. Then verb, third form. If it is play, play, played, played. So played will come. Go, went, gone. Mohan has gone. They have gone. So this way we use present perfect tense in the sentences. Now here we will learn the use of since and for. Let us learn the use of since and for. He, I say for example, he has read for 2 hours. See this last example. Garima has read for 2 hours. Right? So for she is still reading. Like it is in continuity. For is used with the present perfect tense to indicate a period of time extending into the present. Means the work which was started before but it is still continuing. So we use for in those situations, and since is used to mean from that point of time to the time of speaking. Bina has waited since 2 o'clock. Like from that point of time to now. Right? So since is used for point of time and for is used for a period of time. So what was the period of time for Garima? Like 2 hours. And what is the point of time in the first line for Bina? Since 2 o'clock, 2 baje se. Right? And this, the sentence of Garima indicates 2 ghante se. So here it is, for Bina it is the point of time. So we use since for point of time and we use for a period of time. Then let us come to present perfect continuous. So this is a very interesting tense. Perfect means has, have will be used. Continuous means ing will be used. So see Vinita, we have a subject, we will use has or have. So Vinita is singular, we will use has. Vinita has. Now what is the addition here? Addition here is of been. Has been or have been. So Vinita has been. They have been. Right? So Vinita has been. Now continuous is used only with the first form of verb. So studying. Study is the verb plus ing. First form of verb plus ing. So Vinita has been studying since morning. They have been studying since morning. Right? So has been, verb, first form plus ing. Subject plus has been or have been plus first form of verb plus ing becomes your perfect present perfect continuous tense. Right? So here are the examples. Part A. See, part A says you have to fill in the blanks with simple present or present continuous. Then again, simple present or present continuous. Then we have for present perfect or present perfect continuous, and this is also for the practice of present perfect or present perfect continuous.